If you want to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Android phone, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, grab your Bluetooth headphones. I'm using AirPods Pro with my Android phone. If your AirPods charging case has the pairing button on the back, press and hold it until the status light starts flashing white. If your AirPods case doesn't have a pairing button, simply open the lid and double tap the front of the case 3 times. The status light will start flashing, which means the AirPods are now in pairing mode. If you're using another brand of Bluetooth headphones, press and hold the power or Bluetooth button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED light starts flashing, or you hear a pairing voice prompt. Now grab your Android phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen and press and hold the Bluetooth icon. Or you can go ahead and open the Settings app, then tap Bluetooth. On some Android phones, you'll see Connected Devices. Tap Pair New Device. On Samsung Galaxy phones, tap Connections, then Bluetooth. Your phone is going to start scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Let me check. As soon as your headphones appear in the available devices list, simply tap their name. Give me a sec. You'll see Pairing, then Connected. Wow! Your Bluetooth headphones are now connected and ready to use. If your headphones don't appear, they're probably already connected to another phone, tablet, or laptop. Go ahead and disconnect them from the previous device, then put them back into pairing mode and try again. If you're still having trouble, tap the device name. Choose Forget Device if it was previously paired. Turn Bluetooth off for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on and pair your headphones again. After connecting, you would probably want to install the official companion app for your headphones if one is available. This would help you update the firmware, customize audio settings, adjust the equalizer, and unlock additional features. That's it. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.